Come test drive the 2019 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Bose sound system, traction control, LED headlights, navigation system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.